Hello. Hi guys. So I'm just gonna show you how app manager and how apps functionality and how you can modify and customize your apps based on the need for that application. So let me just go ahead and show it to you. So this is an app. I have created an app PJ and you can see the accounts at the corresponding tabs and also the objects on the side. So these are your accounts. With us, app launcher, appliances, applicants are your tabs. So I can choose to change it or remain it the same. Going to my app manager. We shall go to our CP app. As you can see, this is the app that I'm talking about here. Let's go and try to edit it here. Click on edit. You see, this is the app that we have and these are the tabs we have. Now I'm trying to change those functionalities of that app PJ, app options. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have these many types of tabs. I'll try to add more. What else? And let's try something else and campaigns. I'm trying to save it here. Also, I'm trying to change the app details and branding. I'll try to upload a picture. I'll try to upload this one. And then click on save. And also I'll try to save it first here. So I have attached the wallpaper for the app, like the brand value. I'm also trying to enable or disable the settings, disable end user personalization of navigation items in this app. So what this means is like if I'm a user and I'm not an admin, if I click on this, if I have this selected for my profile, I will not be able to configure or enable any settings pertaining to an tab pertaining to an app that has certain tabs enabled. So I cannot change the functionality or the organized uh, tabs for the application. So if I'm disabling it and click on save. So now we have saved the app. Let's go back. And let's try to save it here. Let's try to refresh it and see what we have and what we'll have. We can observe we will be having a change of the number of tabs that are available. You see, I've added certain extra tabs, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've added bottles and campaigns. And also we have the correct personalize your navigation bar. Means if a user has since we have disabled this one in the checkbox, so now we can enable or use it to configure our own style. So that is app manager and what you can do inside an application. Now let's try to see a console view. New Lightning app. I'll give it some name. KL. KL. Upload. And upload the same picture again. And I'm going to go next. And here I'll choose console navigation. And I'll choose disable. And click next for time being. And click next again. You don't have to worry about it. Let's choose it. Just two of them. Accounts. Insert. Alvidas insert. And applicants insert. So we just have three or two, three and four. And let's click next here. And since we have chosen a console layout, console navigation, this is how it looks on the actual application UI. So and just click next. So this is the arrangement that we have as of now. Profile 2 and profile 3, platform user 1, standard user. So I'm just enabling the profiles for this application and let's save and finish. And now once you go to that app, you'll see what I'm talking about. So this is what we call a standard navigation for this application PJ. And I'll open another app that we just created right now. And I'll go to KL here. Click on KL here. So just create KL here. Oh, I'm sorry, just give me some minute. So I'll open the KL app we just created. Let's click on view all. Let's scroll down. You see, we have a KL app. Click on the KL app. It also has the basic brand image for the app. You see, this is the console navigation. This is the console navigation. You can only choose one app, one tab to be active, and the others has basically like a selected number of views, like a anomaly view, account views, recent list views, and this is a dashboard view. So this is basically how a console layout looks, console navigation looks, and this is basically how standard navigation. This is a different app, and this is a different app, but this is a console navigation, and this is a standard navigation with enlarged and detailed objects that are available. And you can also, since we have disabled end user personalization in the app settings, so we cannot see here. But whereas in the old app that we created, we have uh, we haven't chosen disable. So since we haven't chosen anything, it's already enabled here. So I hope this makes sense. So thank you.